Hi friends, how are we this week? So for this week's Simple Science, we're going to be making a paperclip float. Let's try it out. Let's start by going over what you're going to need to do this experiment. You're going to need, I would say maybe a bowl, fill it with water. You're going to want a piece of tissue paper, a paperclip, and then I'm using a pencil, but it's going to be anything to push down the tissue paper. To get the paper clip to float, you're going to take your piece of tissue paper and you're going to very gently just drop it onto the water. So I've placed it, it's there. Now let's put and make sure your paper clip's nice and dry, on top. So you see that it's floating. Now to get the paper clip to float, you're going to take your pencil to the end and you're going to gently push the tissue paper down. I'm going to go all around the edges. I want to be really gentle, guys. And try not to touch the paper clip. And you'll see that now the paper clip is floating. See? And just to show, this is nowhere near the paper clip. It is hanging above the water. So now let's talk about how this is even possible. What we like to call what's going on with the paper clip right now is surface tension. What this means is that think of it like a type of skin on the surface of the water, so on the top of the water, where all the water molecules hold on super tightly together. And if we get the conditions just right, they can hold tight enough to support the paperclip, which is what they're doing right now as the paperclip floats around. The paperclip isn't actually floating. We saw when we dropped it in before, it went straight to the bottom. But right now, the water molecules are kind of holding the paperclip up using surface tension. And you can actually see this with a lot of insects, such as water striders, that they use this kind of skin, so to speak, to walk across the surface of a stream. All right, so I'll see you guys next time for I think might be our last Simple Science of the year. All right, bye.